Dreaming of becoming a digital nomad, but not sure where to start? No worries. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 easiest digital nomad jobs that require zero skills or experience. Job number 1, virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll handle simple tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and organizing files. It's an easy role to get into, and the best part? You can learn on the go. Many companies are looking for beginners, so this is a great entry point for your digital nomad journey. Next up, data entry. If you're good at typing and paying attention to detail, this job is perfect for you. Data entry involves inputting information into systems, and you can find these opportunities on freelance platforms. No special skills required. Job number 3, social media manager. Do you spend hours on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook? Turn that habit into a remote job. Many small businesses need someone to post content and engage with their audience online. No prior experience is necessary, and you can pick up the skills as you go. Number 4, transcription. All you need is good listening skills and the ability to type quickly. As a transcriptionist, you'll listen to audio recordings and type out what you hear. It's a beginner-friendly job that doesn't require any special qualifications. Last but not least, online customer support. Many companies hire remote customer support agents to handle basic inquiries via chat or email. If you enjoy helping people and can communicate clearly, this job is an easy way to start earning as a digital nomad. These are the top 5 simplest remote work opportunities for novices. These positions require little to no experience. Excited to get started? These jobs are your ticket to remote work freedom. Let us know which one you're going to try in the comments, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive as a digital nomad.